Hey guys, on today's video we're making your apps go into dark mode. So that's different than having your iPad set up as dark mode. I'm gonna teach you both anyways, but let's just go with the apps first because that's what's new. So just hold your finger anywhere that's an open space. So not on an app, but in between apps, anywhere there. Then they're gonna start to wiggle around. On the top left hand side of our screen, we're gonna see edit, tap on edit. Once you tap on edit, you're gonna see customize, your second option. Tap on customize. Then from here on the bottom, you guys are gonna see clear, there's tinted, and dark, which is the second option, what we were looking for. So again, default, and then dark. You guys can see that huge difference. It doesn't work with all apps because it does depend on the app itself and their logo. But you guys can see that that worked. And then just tap away anywhere on your screen, and they're all gonna be like that. It takes a minute for it to refresh, but it does a pretty good job. So if you guys go into settings, you're gonna see that even on the side panel, they're gonna change. So it does look pretty good. Now, if you're looking into dark mode for your entire iPad itself, then that's different. That's in your settings as well, but you're gonna go into display and brightness. Then from here, there's dark and there's light mode. So here's light mode. I still have my app set up as dark, for example. So that's the difference. So you guys can see the apps are still dark, but my iPad, once I go into here, everything's light mode, and here's dark mode. I like dark mode. It's better for my eyes. However, maybe you guys won't like the way that it looks here with the apps also. But it depends. Depends on what you guys like, what you guys don't like. So that's how you guys can mess around with that. If you guys want to take this back to how it was, do the exact same thing, but just choose default. And then there you go. Anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.